So today, this here and all of that there is the installation of our septic system for the house. And you can see right now we've got some works going on. We've got a huge wall up, and they're getting ready to set the concrete structure into the ground, and then they'll run the leach bed and all the rest. Well, it's been a long day. We have officially installed our septic system. It's entirely done. It's been inspected by the county and it's good to go. We also had a little feature added here, which is pretty cool. That right there is the little white guy right there. That is a RV spot. So if somebody comes up to the house or us with the RV, you're able to empty your water systems into that septic system from there, which is really great. We have paid for the electric system, so our temporary electric, that's the white flag here, that's going to be installed here in a couple of weeks. I'm waiting on an electrician to install the temporary meter panel and load center, so waiting on that to happen. There's a lot of code requirements for that, so it's best that somebody local does it. And then over there where I've cut down a whole bunch of trees next to that truck, that's where the well is going to be, and that's going to be installed in a couple of weeks. So we'll have electric services, we'll have water, and we'll have our septic system installed. So that's great. Then the next thing is rough-ins for all of our plumbing and all of our electrical. Then we pour our pad, our foundation, and then we erect our building. And then we start having a bit of fun building the inside of the building, which is really kind of, I don't want to call it the easy part, but it's maybe the fun part of the whole thing. So when we get to that point, all the tough stuff's done, and it's just kind of building walls and making a home for the family.